Welcome back. That's Mike.
That is Claire.
And this is episode 5 of Better Homes, Better Meals.
Out of this month's magazine of Better Homes and Gardens, a poison apple sour. So Claire, as you can see, we've got some liquor out. Vodka, sour apple pucker, hard apple cider, got some ice, some grenadine, and the final touch,
Gummy eyeball.
oh yeah, just to spice it up and spook it up. Spook it up.
First, we're gonna need 1 ounce of vodka.
But we're gonna double it because there's 2 of us and we're both a little thirsty.
2 shots of vodka.
1 more ounce of sour apple pucker, but we're doubling it.
Double down, baby. Double trouble right here. Double toil and trouble.
We're gonna put the ice in there.
In the shaker.
In the shaker.
Okay, don't make it messy. Alright, so
And we're gonna shake it like a Polaroid
shake,
picture.
shake, senora.
Now we've got our coupe glasses, or close enough glasses.
So now we're going to pour the grenadine down the bar spoon, which is going to be in the glass. In the glass. You want the grenadine to go down the bar spoon, which is in the glass, so that it settles on the bottom.
You might think, Claire, why don't you just put the grenadine in first?
Rookie mistake, people.
Flashback.
Maybe we just use that one.
That didn't work well.
That's why you pour it down the spoon.
Oh yeah, look at that. As the last step, we're gonna top it off with just a little splash of hard apple cider.
Angry Orchard.
Is our favorite brand.
Now for the last step, gummy eyeballs. Would you drink the eyeball cocktail?
Well, we're gonna. Oh yeah.
That's good.
That's divine.
I love green apple.
We're gonna bring Pucker back.
I'm bringing Pucker back. Yeah. And the whole world like, no. They're good.
These are delicious.
Cheers,
Claire.
Cheers, Mike. Happy Halloween.
Ooh.
If you want to give our gummy eyeball recipe a try, check it out in October 2025 edition of Better Homes and Gardens magazine. See you guys in the next episode. I could always drink another one.
We are gonna.
Science experiment.
We're gonna do the grenadine first. Yep, that's why. That's why. Turns orange.
But if you're looking for a orange Halloween drink, just stir it up.
Just use the same recipe and don't follow the direction.
It's apple tea fall, y'all.
Don't ever say that again. The fact that you turn this into what you do is really good.
Thank you. I'm putting that at the end.
I'm like, God, we're really not talking to the camera much.
I think I'm gonna make this cocktail for Ghouls Night In.
Ooh, cool. Like it's a girl's night.
Yeah, you see what I did there?
Wait, can I come?